Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the grading and leveling process during road construction. This is the next step after the foundation work and shear wall construction we've seen in previous episodes. We are here at Ovid Construction's residential project, following the internal road that connects Aware to Casanches. The focus of today's video is on the subbase course of the road. This layer is crucial as it provides stability and support to the final road surface. You can see the grader at work, evenly distributing and leveling the subbase material. Here, we're working with precision, making sure the road has the right elevation and slope for both function and longevity. The grader plays a key role in achieving this, creating the perfect foundation. After the grader does its job, the team steps in to check the levels and make adjustments when necessary, ensuring everything is aligned to the road design. That wraps up this brief overview of the grading and leveling process. As you can see, every step in road construction is vital to ensuring a strong, durable, and safe final product. Stay tuned for more episodes as we continue to follow the progress of this internal road from Aware to Casanches.